Hi there, and welcome back to our Cloudingo platform demo. We've talked about filters which identify duplicate records in your org, but now it's time to take things to the next level. Today we are discussing rules. Rules determine how Cloudingo should handle duplicates, making sure that your data is accurate, consistent, and up to date. Let's start by talking about the master record. The master is the baseline for field values chosen. It acts as the reference point for all other records, so when duplicates are merged, they align with the master. This helps ensure all records are consistent and accurate, giving you the most complete record possible. Next up, we have the default field rule. This rule is typically used to fill in the blanks. For example, if the master record is missing a value for a certain field, the default field rule will populate it with the value from another record. This way, no important information is lost, and you always have the most complete record. But that's not all. Specific field rules allow you to customize your business logic when merging duplicates. For example, you can prioritize checkbox fields that have a true value over false, such as email opt-out, or you can choose the newest created record for the title or phone field. You could also choose the oldest record for lead source, or you could even combine values from all records for fields, like description or notes. If you're dealing with imports, you can even choose the incoming record values. Once you've set up your rules, it's time to assign them to the filters. You can split filters and rules so that different logic is applied to different sets of records. This gives you even more control over how duplicates are handled and ensures your data is accurate. Finally, before merging, it's always a good idea to preview the rule to make sure it is accurate. Cloudingo makes it easy to make changes on the fly if necessary, so you can always be confident in your data. So that's it for today's demo on rules in the Cloudingo platform. With these powerful tools, you can easily manage duplicates and ensure your data is accurate, consistent, and up to date. So why wait? Try Cloudingo today and see the difference for yourself.